In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize theme on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as the Twitter tracker, a wallet tracker, an amazing P&L tracker, and a great reward system which gives you Solana just for trading. They have a turbo mode as well, which makes for faster fills, etc. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You will not regret it. So over here, to actually customize your teams on Axiom, they've just created a new update regarding this. So what you gotta do is wherever you are in Axiom, at the very bottom right over here, you can see a bunch of different buttons. And then this one over here, which is kind of a color palette, you want to click on this where it says customize theme. And then you'll see, there we go, this is now the theme customization page. Over here, you can select however you want it to look. So dark is going to be default. You can put it to light. You can make it dusk. You can make it astro. You can make it neo, crimson, custom, and orange, and styled blue. And of course, the custom one is going to be the one that's the most interesting. Now, yes, some of these look very dope, like for example this one I do think looks very awesome. However, over here you can just go to custom and do whatever you want to do, okay? So you can change backgrounds, you can change text, actions, charts, traffic, so whatever you want to do, you can change colors in this custom part over here, which is amazing, okay? So of course, you can just change this according to your own preferences. You can play around a bit. When you click on the color, you will basically get this color palette and you can just change it however you want, like this, for example. There we go. So of course, after you're done with that, you can just simply close this and then your settings will be saved and automatically applied. If you don't like it anymore, you can just reset it over here and there we go. It's now reset. And of course, you can also import and export your custom themes over here. So for example, if I export this one, this part will get copied to my clipboard. There we go. And if somebody has like a theme you want, they can just export it, send it to you, and then you'll be able to paste it in here and use the same theme. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.